Hello students, this is the class 10 and today we are going to discuss on the incomplete dominance. Yes students, there are some, you can say that observation is made by the biologist who gave their experimental view on the Mendel's law of inheritance. These are said to be the incomplete law of incomplete dominance or incomplete dominance. So students, we are going to discuss about the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Students, as the name clear that incomplete dominance, it means the phenomena of dominancy is not completely masked on the filial generations. Yes, students, Karl Florenz was a German biologist who discovered new things in a plant or flowering plant, that is chloroclast plant. Yes students, that is chloroclast plant and its botanical name is Mirabilis jalapa. What is the botanical name of chloroclast plant? Mirabilis jalapa is the botanical name of this plant. Students, there are two varieties of Mirabilis jalapa is found. One variety of the plant bears red colored flower. What color flower? The red colored flower. And another varieties of the plant bears white colored flower. Okay students, white colored flower. These are the two pure breeds of the plant Mirabilis jalapa or chloroclast. It is commonly found in Japan, hence also called Japanese chloroclast plant. But students, when the process of cross hybridization is made by considering this pair of contrasting characteristics in Mirabilis jalapa, then Florenz found that the Mendel's first law, it means Mendel's law of dominance, is not completely govern on this variety of plants. That's why it is said to be incomplete dominance. Let's see on how the Mendel's law of dominance is not effective on incomplete dominance. Then students, here I am taking the leaf for red colored flower plant as capital R, and white colored flower plant as small r. This is the P generation, it means parental generation. And when the process of cross hybridization is carried between a red colored flower plant and a white colored flower plant, then in F1 generation, the individuals are obtained capital R small r, the capital R small r, capital R small r, capital R small r in F1 generation. All the plants are obtained bears pink flower. all plants bears pink flower. Okay, students, it means the red and white color mixing to form the pink colored flower. Okay, students, this not govern the Mendel's law of dominance, because according to Mendel's law, the dominant traits always mask the recessive characteristics or recessive one. But here the red, and when the process of cross hybridization is made between the red colored flowered plant and the white colored or flowered plant in F1 generation, according to Mendel, all the plants should be of red color, but here all the plants, individual plants bears pink flower color or pink color flowers. So this not govern the Mendel's law of dominance, hence this is called incomplete dominance. And students, when the test cross is made between the individuals of F1 generation, then an astonishing result is obtained. Yes, students, an astonishing result is obtained. What is that? These are the individuals of F1 generation. And this is the process of cross hybridization is made between the individual plants. This is called test cross, as I tell you earlier. The individuals plants are obtained capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, the capital R is small r, and small r, small r. So students, this become the red colored flower, red color flower. It means 25% plants bears red color flower, and these bears pink color flower, pink color flowers. About 50% plants bears pink color flower, and rest of the 25% plants bears white color flower, white colored flower. This is the results obtained genotypically as well as phenotypically on the basis of the genotypically ratio and phenotypically ratio between the plants of red color, pink color, and white color is 1:2:1. It means 25%, 50%, and 25%. Thus, students, this is known to be incomplete dominance. Now, students, we are going to discuss why Mendel gets succeeded in his experiment. Yes, students, why Mendel get succeeded in his experiments. This is very important topic, and either this chapter will be not in according to point of view of your board examination in this session, but with the point of view of, you can say that, competitive examination, this chapter is very important to understand. So, how Mendel get successful or success in his experiment. In his experiment. Students, the Mendel kit succeeded in his experiment due to following reasons. Reasons for success of Mendel in his experiment. Mendel kit succeeded in his experiment due to following reasons. What are that? Mendel selected the pea plant whose botanical name is Pisum sativum, having very defining characteristics. It means it contains the 7 pair of contrasting characteristics, and that contrasting characteristics can be easily determined physically without using of any microscopic devices, or you can say that any other physical devices. When Mendel performing his experiments, he always taken a single contrasting characteristics, single contrasting characteristics at a time. And when he completely get mastery in his experiment, then he selected 2 or more pair of contrasting characteristics for his experiments. As you are studying dihybrid cross, and further we can also study trihybrid cross. Next student, Mendel selected the pea plant selected by the Mendel as his experimental material. Can be easily grow more than 2 to 3 times in a year, or more times in a year, because it takes very short duration of time from cultivation to the harvesting. Yes students, this is another reason. The Mendel has very well knowledge of mathematics and science, and he fully used the knowledge of his mathematical calculation as well as science in his experiments, and he was recorded all the results of his experiment, very carefully. Yes students, he was recorded all the results of his experiment very attentively and carefully. That's why a definite conclusion or principle can be given by Mendel. Then other reasons for successful of the Mendels, the seven pair of contrasting characteristics that was selected by the Mendel. In pea plants, all the characteristics can be easily visualized. Yes, students, these characteristics can be easily visualized physically by our eyes, and the results are very effectively can be determined on the basis of observation. So, students, the Mendel was succeeded in his experiment. Thus, that are the reasons Mendel becomes succeeded in his experiments and regarded as the father of genetics. Yes, students, and Mendel was regarded as the father of genetics. In next video lecture, students, we are going to discuss about the more topics related to the evolution, because here we are going to describe about the heredity and genetics, and the more application of heredity can be given in the next video lectures. Thanks, students, for joining today's lecture.